Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily record your desktop audio using Audacity. This method works great if you want to capture system sounds, gameplay audio, or anything playing on your computer. So let's get started. First, open Audacity on your computer. Once it's open, click on Edit from the top menu and select Preferences. In the Preferences window, look for the Interface Host section and change it to Windows Wasapi. Next, you'll see options for playback and recording devices. You can leave the playback device as it is, but for the recording device, you'll need to select your speaker's Realtek audio. Make sure it specifically says Realtek audio. This is important for capturing desktop sound. If the Realtek option isn't showing up for you, it probably means your audio drivers need an update, so make sure those are up to date. Once that's done, select Speakers Realtek Audio as your recording device and click OK to save the settings. To double-check everything, click on Audio Setup in Audacity, go to Recording Device, and ensure it's still set to your speakers. After that, simply hit the Record button and Audacity will start recording your desktop audio instantly. And that's it. That's how you can record your desktop audio using Audacity in just a few easy steps. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.